Welcome back to your English lesson. In this lesson, you'll learn 10 polite English phrases you can use for daily conversations. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use these phrases in your daily conversations. Let's begin. Not sure. This phrase expresses polite uncertainty. This phrase helps you avoid sounding too direct. This phrase softens you. 1. I'm not sure. Use 1. Use this when you don't know the answer politely. This phrase keeps the conversation gentle. Use 2. Use this when you want to soften disagreement. This phrase is useful because it allows you to express uncertainty without sounding negative or dismissive. Example 1. I'm not sure about that. Example 2. I'm not sure right now. This phrase helps you communicate that you need more information while still sounding respectful and considerate. Example 3. I'm not sure, but I can check and get back to you. This phrase is often used in conversations to maintain a friendly tone even when you don't have a clear answer. This phrase makes your response sound thoughtful and polite, especially in situations where you want to avoid giving a firm statement. Phrase 2. Could you explain that? This phrase asks for clarification politely. This phrase shows you want to understand better. Use this when you need clarification. This phrase is helpful because it lets the other person know you want more information without sounding demanding. Use 2. Use this when you want more detail. This phrase shows that you are actively listening and want to fully understand what is being discussed. This phrase encourages clearer communication by inviting the speaker to explain their point more thoroughly. 1. Could you explain that again? This phrase is commonly used in conversations to avoid misunderstandings. Example 2. Could you explain that clearly? This phrase requests repetition politely. This phrase shows you want to hear the message clearly. Example 3. Could you explain that in another way so I can understand it better? This phrase is useful because it helps you stay engaged in the conversation even if you missed something. This phrase shows that you value the speaker's message and want to make sure you heard it correctly. Phrase 3. Could you say that again? This phrase allows you to ask for repetition in a respectful way, especially in noisy or unclear situations. 1. Use this when you want repetition politely. This phrase helps maintain good communication by ensuring you fully understand what was said. This phrase avoids sounding rude. Use 2. Use this when you missed part of the sentence. This phrase explains that you missed the message. This phrase sounds polite and natural. This phrase helps avoid awkwardness. Example 1. Could you say that again, please? This phrase is helpful because it lets the speaker know you didn't hear them without blame. Example 2. Could you say that again slowly? Phrase keeps the conversation friendly by showing that the misunderstanding was unintentional. This phrase is commonly used when noise or distractions make it difficult to hear clearly. Example 3. Could you say that again from the beginning because I missed the first part? This phrase encourages the speaker to repeat their message in a supportive and respectful way. Phrase 4. Sorry, I didn't catch that. This phrase shows honesty about your skill level. This phrase sets expectations politely. Use 1. Use this when you didn't hear clearly. This phrase shows confidence in learning. This phrase is helpful because it lets others know you may need extra time or clearer explanations. Use 2. Use this when background noise interrupted. This phrase encourages others to speak more slowly or clearly without making the conversation uncomfortable. Example 1. Sorry, I didn't catch that. This phrase creates a supportive environment by reminding people that you are actively improving. Example 2. Sorry, I missed that. This phrase shows that you are committed to learning and open to better communication. Example 3. Sorry, I didn't catch that last part. Could you say it again? This phrase buys you time politely. This phrase shows responsibility. This phrase is helpful because it shows that you want to confirm information before giving an answer. It acknowledges a thoughtful question. Phrase 5. I'm still learning English. This phrase signals that you want accuracy. Use 1. Use this when you want to show progress. This phrase makes the speaker feel valued. This phrase keeps the tone positive. Use 2. Use this when you want patience from others. This phrase is helpful because it shows appreciation for the question while giving you a moment to think. This creates a positive atmosphere by recognizing the other person's curiosity or insight. Example 1. I'm still learning English.
This phrase allows you to pause without sounding unsure or unprepared.
Example 2, I'm still learning, please be patient.
This phrase buys you time politely.
Example 3, I'm still learning English, so please speak slowly so I can follow. This phrase pauses the conversation smoothly.
This phrase strengthens communication by making the speaker feel respected and heard. This phrase expresses gratitude politely.
Phrase 6, let me check.
This sounds warm and sincere.
Use 1, use this when you need time to confirm information.
This acknowledges someone's effort. This strengthens relationships.
Use 2, use this when you want to verify before answering.
This phrase is helpful because it communicates genuine thankfulness in a simple and respectful way. This makes the other person feel valued for their help or support.
Example 1, let me check first.
This phrase is commonly used to show recognition for someone's time, effort, or kindness.
Example 2, let me check that.
This phrase helps build positive connections by expressing appreciation clearly and warmly.
Example 3, let me check and get back to you with the correct information.
This phrase reassures the other person. This removes tension quickly. This phrase is helpful because it lets the other person know that everything is okay and there is no problem. This reduces stress by assuring the speaker that their mistake or concern is not a big issue.
Phrase 7, that's a good question.
This keeps the mood relaxed. This shows understanding.
Use 1, use this when you want to sound thoughtful.
This phrase helps maintain harmony by showing that you are calm, patient, and understanding.
Use 2, use this when you need a moment to think.
This creates a friendly and easygoing atmosphere in conversations. This phrase encourages someone to relax.
Example 1, that's a good question.
This removes pressure. Creates a calm environment. This shows patience.
That's a good question. I'll look into it.
Example 3, that's a good question. Let me think about it for a moment.
This phrase strengthens communication by letting the other person know you are willing to wait patiently. This phrase encourages a calm and relaxed interaction, which helps reduce anxiety.
This phrase acknowledges a thoughtful question.
Phrase 8, I appreciate it.
This phrase makes the speaker feel appreciated. This phrase gives you time to think.
Use 1, use this when you want to show gratitude politely.
This phrase keeps the tone positive. This phrase shows respect for the other person's curiosity.
Use 2, when someone helps you.
This phrase creates a friendly atmosphere. This phrase is helpful because it recognizes the value of the question while giving you a moment to organize your thoughts.
1, I appreciate it.
This phrase makes the other person feel respected, which strengthens the flow of the conversation.
Example 2, I really appreciate that.
This phrase allows you to pause naturally without sounding unsure or unprepared.
Example 3, I appreciate it. Thank you so much for your support.
This phrase helps you respond without pressure. This phrase encourages open communication by showing that you welcome thoughtful questions.
Phrase 9, no worries.
This phrase helps maintain a positive tone, especially when you need extra time to think before answering.
Use 1, use this when you want to say it's okay.
This phrase reassures the speaker that their question is meaningful and worth discussing.
Use 2, use this when someone apologizes to you.
This phrase is effective because it balances politeness, appreciation, and thinking time all at once.
Example 1, no worries.
This phrase sounds warm and sincere. This phrase acknowledges someone's effort.
Example 2, no worries, it's fine.
This phrase strengthens relationships. This phrase shows genuine thankfulness. This phrase makes the other person feel valued.
Example 3, no worries, everything's fine, so don't worry about it.
This phrase expresses gratitude politely. This phrase communicates respect. This phrase is effective because it clearly communicates gratitude in a simple and heartfelt way.
Phrase 10, take your time.
This phrase helps build positive connections by recognizing the effort someone has given.
Use 1, use this when you want someone to relax.
This phrase is commonly used to show respect and acknowledgement in both casual and formal situations.
Use 2, use this when you don't want them to rush.
This phrase makes people feel appreciated, which encourages kindness and cooperation. This phrase strengthens relationships by expressing genuine appreciation for someone's help or support.
Example 1. Take your time.
This phrase is powerful because it shows that you notice and value the actions of others.
Example 2. Take your time, no rush.
This phrase creates a warm atmosphere because it communicates sincerity and emotional awareness.
3. Take your time, there's no need to hurry.
This phrase removes tension quickly. This phrase is helpful because it lets the other person know that everything is fine and there is no problem. This phrase reduces stress by reassuring the speaker that their mistake or concern is not a big issue.
Let's review the 10 phrases together. Repeat after me. I'm not sure.
This phrase shows understanding.
Would you explain that?
This phrase creates a friendly and easygoing atmosphere, especially in casual conversations. This phrase helps maintain harmony by showing that you are patient and understanding.
You say that again?
This phrase reassures the other person. The phrase helps avoid conflict.
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
This phrase keeps the mood relaxed. This phrase makes the conversation smoother.
I'm still learning English.
This phrase encourages the other person to feel comfortable even if something went wrong. This phrase keeps interactions positive by removing any sense of blame or pressure. This phrase communicates calmness.
Let me check.
This phrase encourages someone to relax.
That's a good question.
Because it quickly defuses tension and keeps the conversation moving smoothly. This phrase is helpful because it reassures the other person that they don't need to rush or feel pressured.
I appreciate it.
This phrase removes pressure. This phrase creates a calm environment.
No worries.
This phrase shows patience. This phrase helps reduce stress. This phrase makes the other person feel supported.
10. Take your time.
This phrase creates a comfortable atmosphere by giving someone space to think or act at their own pace.
Good job today. Keep practicing these phrases daily to sound more natural in English. Subscribe to this channel and like this video to have more lessons in English.
Subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell to get notified of new videos.